In this video, we're going to show you how to pair a new sensor to truck TPMS, T7 or T7 Pro display. You will find that need this information if you lost a sensor. Now let's see how to pair sensors to this position. At the beginning, you need to make sure all sensors are far away 40 centimeters from the display. Firstly, press the Set button for 5 times to enter pairing mode with a beep. Hold press the Up button until hear a beep. Then you will see PA, and the left front tire will flash on the screen. Use Directions button to choose the related positions you want to pair the sensors. After you select the position, bring sensors to close the top of the display. If the sensors register, the display will beep once and the number 0 will appear on the screen. Confirm this by short pressing Set button once. Repeat above operation if you want to pair more sensors. After pairing is complete, press and hold the Setting button to exit pairing mode.